Adhir, this is for you.
Yes, sir.
Prospect, Mr. Prasanna Kumar.
Yes, sir.
This prospect is handled by you.
Yes, sir.
Why you are putting these details, background information, the details in background information?
Yes. Thus, usually I
May
put the background information there, sir. To just to know if anybody can, because usually we write there, so it's easy for them to understand. That's why I write there.
Okay. Now, for everything, there is a separate cell,
Yeah, yeah.
like qualification. You can put the qualification here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, no, I've got it, sir. Before I used to do it, sir. I'm no more
And
doing that.
but you still now you didn't update it also.
No, because this client is no more, sir. We can't do this client.
That's fine. But this thing need to be checked.
Yeah, yeah. You
Okay.
explained me, sir. You already explained. I'm following that only.
Okay. Now one more thing.
Yes, sir.
Taking note about the client in background information is not the right practice.
Okay, sir.
So if you want to take some note about the client, that should comes here.
Yes, sir.
Can you see
Yeah, yeah. I can see,
here
sir.
under CRM there is a
Yeah.
section called notes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the note should be come here.
Okay, sir. I got it, sir. I got
Now when you are adding a note, you
it.
have three different provision.
Yes, sir.
So you can make the note visible to everybody,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that is public.
Public.
You
Yeah.
can make this note visible to you only, that is private.
Yes, sir.
It is no other than you can see this,
Yes, sir.
and you can share the note with particularly someone.
Yes, sir. Abhijit, sir, can I ask you one thing, sir, in this?
Yeah, definitely.
Sir, if the client is no more interested, okay now,
Okay.
and is so, what is the best answer? Still will be in the CRM, sir, or we have to put a special note like he's no more interested to apply for the CR. So, what is the special column is there for that?
Okay. So
So that
the
when
best.
the others click on that particular file, so that
Mhm.
they should aware like this client is no more interested.
Okay, right. Now let me explain you. There are two things we need to do. There are two things we need to do. First,
Mm.
in the client, whenever you have communicated, there is a contact details that
Mm.
can be appear from the event. Correct?
Yeah.
So whenever you are communicating with your client, always a event is appearing against that client.
Okay, sir.
Right? So now in your last contact, so see all these events you can see here.
Okay, sir.
And now the notes.
Mm.
So in the last event, when you communicated and he referred as not interested,
Okay, sir.
that time you need to create another event that the client
Mm-hmm.
is not interested. That is the
Okay,
first
sir.
thing you need to do.
Okay, sir.
And the second thing you need to do, that you need to add a note,
Okay.
and that
He's no
note
more.
should be for public.
Okay.
Add a note.
Okay, sir.
Client is not interested.
Okay.
In my last communication,
Okay, sir.
client refer as not interested.
Okay, sir.
Visibility, public, note date, the last date of communication, so that it can match with the event.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Now it is done.
Perfect. Got it, sir. I got it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it. This is the way to do it. Yeah.
Anybody have any doubt? Yamuna,
Sir?
conclude the whole thing
Yes, sir.
in Telugu.
సో ఎవరైనా క్లయింట్ మనకు కాల్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ లేదు అంటే ఫస్ట్ వాళ్ళది ఈవెంట్లో క్రియేట్ చేసి ఈవెంట్లో పెట్టాలి ఫస్ట్. అది మనకు ప్రైవేట్లో అయినా పెట్టుకున్న తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ సేమ్ థింగ్ నోట్లో యాడ్ చేసి అది అందరికీ విజిబుల్ అయ్యేటట్టు పబ్లిక్లో క్రియేట్ చేసి నోట్ చేయాలి.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Thank you.
this is one more thing you need to address, Yamuna. This background information.
Yes, sir.
This background information is
Not
that
required.
this
It's not
information should not come here and people should not take note in background information.
So you should not mention the background information.
Yeah,
No.
got it.
Background information is those details which is important for the visa application, but those specific column are not available here.
Okay.
Sir, can I ask like where is the section for age? If you want to write
That
about
is
the
a-
age.
That is the date of birth is there now.
Okay,
Ajay
date
sir,
of birth.
when you are putting the date of birth, age is already coming up there.
Okay, sir. Okay. Got it, sir.
Okay?
Yeah. That's fair enough.
Background information means here you can mention like whether he is having any police case, whether he is discussing with you, he revealed it, or he have some gap in his
Education or
in education, or there is a gap in their career. This kind of information you should mention in the background information.
okay, sir. And in before any visa rejections, anything we have mentioned.
Yeah, all these information should be come into the background information.
వస్తాను రాలేదు అప్పటికి ఇది ఐటెన్షన్ తోటలేదు.
Yamuna, conclude the thing in Telugu, ma'am.
Okay, బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్లో ఏజ్ అక్కడ ఏజ్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మనం మెన్షన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో ఏదైతే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అక్కడ మనకు సపరేట్ కాలం అయితే లేదో ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మాత్రం బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్లో మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం.
Right.
Right?